Today, with deep gratitude, I remember Father Josuma Prani. When Divyodaya was started in 1980, he was assigned to Divyodaya to assist me. Without knowing exactly what the new mission is meant, he obeyed the direction of the superiors. I have always appreciated his spiritual and humble attitude. While we were in search of a place on rent before starting the work, one day I went with Brother Martin, to Palani to meet a physician for him. After visiting the physician, we went to Palani temple. After returning, when I returned to Coimbatore, Father Jose told me, there is a good news. We have found a place, suitable place. I spontaneously said, because I went to Palani and prayed. There was a Father Amos, an elderly father. He got a little irritated and perhaps angry and shouted at me, to whom did you pray? I said, Karthavinodu, to the Lord. He seemed to be satisfied. Father Jose was a good counselor. He had his training at CMC Vellore. He had helped a lot of people with his counseling. He was always ready to assist in the local parishes. He took care of the administration of the Divyodaya very carefully. During the first year, when we had no proper kitchen, we used to go out to eat. At that time, a meal cost ₹2. I used to take him on scooter. One day, after coming from a shop, I started scooter. After a few minutes, when I spoke, there was no reply from the back. When I turned and looked, he was walking in his own slow pace. When he came, I asked him what happened. When I was lifting my leg, you took the scooter. Our fathers used to enjoy this and narrating this incident. He was in Divyodaya with me 4 years and with Father Thomas Cheeran for 3 years. When I was a provincial, he was with me for 3 years as a provincial house superior. With all, I appreciated his special interest to give gifts to the members when they celebrated their Patron's Day. Father, when he was ill at the provincial house, I used to visit him. He told me one day, I have been preparing for the last 10 years for death. The blessed soul was called by the Lord on September 4th, 2018. Dear Father Jose, our grateful and immense humble pranams to you.